Hello everyone, my name is Yash and today in this video we will see how you can customize your contact form built with Fluent Forms using the Elementor Page Builder. For this tutorial we will be using the Powerpack Elements Fluent Form widget, so make sure you have the Powerpack Elements add-on, the Elementor plugin and the Fluent Forms plugin installed and activated on your website. Now the next thing that you need to make sure is that you have at least one form built with Fluent Forms, so we will be using that form here. Let's start with the customization. Open the page where you want to add your form and open it using the Elementor editor. Now look for the Fluent Forms widget. Make sure you see the double P icon on the top right corner of the widget icon. So that means Powerpack's Fluent Form. Simply drag and drop the widget on the page. Now the first thing that we need to do here is select a contact form. Select the contact form from the list and your contact form will appear on the page. Now further, you can enable or disable custom title and pagination, and if you do not want to show labels and placeholders, you can disable them as well. Moving on to errors, you can choose if you want to show your error messages in your contact form or not. If you do not want to do that, you can just select hide and the error messages won't be displayed on your contact form. Now let's take a look at the styling options that you get with the Fluent Forms. Go to the Style tab and here you will be able to customize labels, input and text area, field descriptions, placeholders, radio and checkbox, submit button, errors, and confirmation message. Let's start with the labels. Here you can change the text color and the typography for your labels. Moving further, for input and text area, you can change the alignment, background color, text color, border, text indent, input area height, input area width, text area height, text area width, padding, spacing, typography, as well as box shadow. Now moving on to field descriptions, if you have field descriptions under your input fields, you can change the text color, typography and spacing. For the placeholders, you can change the text color easily. And for radio and checkboxes, you get the default styling. But if you want to go with custom style, you can do that too. Just go to radio and checkbox and enable custom styles option. Now you will be able to customize the styling of radio and checkboxes of your contact form. You can change the size, color, border width, border color, border radius for checkboxes and radio buttons. Now moving on to the submit button customization, you can change the alignment, width, text color, background color, border, border radius, padding, margin, typography and the box shadow. For errors and confirmation messages that will be displayed on your form, you can change the text color, typography and other options, and almost same changes can be made for your confirmation message as well, such as typography, text color, background color, border and box shadow. Once you are done making all the changes, you can just go ahead and publish the page and see what your final design looks like. Alright, after making all those changes, this is what our design looks like. Let's give this form a test run. As you can see, our entry is submitted successfully and our form is working perfectly. Let me know what you think of the Fluent Forms widget by commenting your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you guys found this video useful, do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.